Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create fog in Blender. So what you want to do is add in a cube and you want to scale it to a desired size because it's going to be a reference for your fog. And once you've done that, you want to go to viewport display and then change the display as to bounds, so just so it doesn't get into the way. And then you want to jump over to shading. And then you want to create a new material and then get rid of that. And you want to add in a volume scatter and then connect the volume to the volume. And there you go, you have that fog. And you can change the density of the fog as well. And also make sure to change the render engine to to cycles, my bad. And with that, that's how you make fog in Blender.